What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And a bit like the last video, I'm going to drop something out my dad's window. Yeah, this time it's a chicken goujon, and so that I can eat it afterwards, I've put it in the plastic zip wallet from Sainsbury's. Alright, let's get to throwing. Here we are. Alright, just walked a couple of steps. Now we're going to throw this chicken nugget out. Let's see how it goes. Alright. Yeet! Oh god. Let's go. Chicken nugget bounced off the car. Let's go eat the chicken nugget. Hang on a sec, guys. Window nugget. That's a good window nugget. See you next time, guys. Bye.